that a good idea? Are you gonna cut the grass from your bike?
Yeah, Ma. Yeah, Ma.
Okay, do it.
I'm gonna get grass. I'm gonna get it.
Hehehe